Researchers have been studying people's ability to process emotion through quick and sometimes even unconscious visual perceptions. Currently, the regions associated with the perception of emotions are a series of networks of structures, including the visual ventral stream, the superior temporal sulcus, the dorsal frontal, and the orbital frontal regions in the human brain. The precision in research of these neural structures has been increasing with the ever-expanding sophistication in technology. Researchers are now able to record the precise timing of when brain regions are activated during particular tasks. The current study used MEG scans to get an accurate account of brain activity for 12 healthy adults. The participants were presented with a series of images of faces having 3 different types of emotion: happy, fearful, or neutral. The volunteers were asked to either attend to the emotion of the person in the image or to pay attention to the person's identity. What the researchers found was that there were multiple processes engaged during the first 90 milliseconds following the presentation of a fearful face. There was an increased activity in the posterior regions, which was not modulated by the stimuli attention. And one process activated the frontal region only when attention was directed to the identity and not to the facial expression. These results are significant because they show that fearful faces are processed in parallel by both cortical and subcortical visual pathways. It is also important to note that there are different processes at work when an individual is either paying attention to someone's emotional expression or when they're indirectly perceiving the emotion while attending to another task. It seems that hostile expressions are processed faster, especially when not attended to. It is theorized that this might be because such situations need to be perceived at a much faster rate to ensure survival. In conclusion, perceiving emotions in other people requires a highly complex series of networks that work in parallel and are altered depending on what the individual is attending to at the time.